I don't know what to say. I just want to eat. But you make sure you try this simple, easy, and affordable meal. All the ingredients came from the Dollar Tree. You can't beat it. Welcome back to the show. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Got this wok here. And what better way to break in a new wok? I'm gonna cook some shrimp fried rice. And if you enjoy these videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so I know what you're thinking. And share this video with your friends so they can enjoy some of this good food too. Okay, this is what you need to cook this shrimp fried rice. Obviously, you need a wok, 2 cups of brown rice. I got like a 1/4 pound of shrimp, fully cooked. Frozen vegetables. This is a 1/2 cup of frozen vegetables, peas, corn, and carrots. I have 2 tablespoons of bell pepper, onions, and garlic. 1 egg. A stalk of scallions. This is a tablespoon of green scallion and white scallion. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and some fresh ginger. For sauces, you need soy sauce, sesame seed oil, and oyster sauce. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going on a low heat just to get started. This is a thin wok, so you don't want to take the temperature up too high. Okay, next we add the garlic, onions, and peppers. Move that around a little bit. We're going to add white pepper, about a tablespoon of that. We're going to use a teaspoon of sea salt. And kind of move that around some. You want to make sure the onions are translucent. Oh, that smells so good. I wish you was here that you could smell that. Keep going in with the frozen vegetables. Move that around. Okay, so next we add our shrimp. Now this shrimp is already pre-cooked, so it's not going to take that long to get done. So you want to keep an eye on that. Move that around in there with those vegetables. Now some people use a different method. They may cook the shrimp last or the shrimp first. But however you want to do it, whatever floats your boat. So now you want to add your fresh ginger. Don't be afraid to get it in there, people. Oh my, that ginger smells so good. Alright. Now you can see the peas turning colors. So you know that's ready. Okay. Take all those ingredients and we're going to set these aside for now. Oh, that ginger smells real good. Okay, so we add more oil. About another tablespoon sesame oil, about a teaspoon we're gonna whisk this egg in. Look at that. Move that around. Some people like their egg whole. Some people like them in big chunks. Some people like them in small chunks. It's totally up to you. Remember, this is your dish. You make it your own. Okay, so you push that to the side. And you add your rice. This is brown rice. If you prefer white rice, you can use white rice. Always remember, it's according to your taste. Alright? Now you want to mix that in together. Rice and the eggs. A teaspoon of scallions. White pepper. Sea salt. That's about a teaspoon of both. Now, to achieve that color we're looking for, we're going in with the oyster sauce. This is by Dynasty, premium oyster flavor sauce. Alright? Don't take a lot of this, people. About a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Doesn't take a whole lot, people. Alright? And it adds great flavor. Now it's back in with the shrimp and veggies. And you want to move that around some. Okay, I got a bit of a bonus for you people. While that's simmering, we're going to go in the toaster oven with this chicken egg roll. Okay. One chicken egg roll coming up. Place that in there. Comes with its own duck sauce. And by the way, people, all of this is from Dollar Tree. You know we always do simple, easy, and affordable meals here. I'm going to put it on air fry. And we're going to cook it for about 10 minutes. Our shrimp fried rice is ready. It is complete. Now, if you want to get fancy, let me show you something. I learned this from my Chinese friend. He said if you want to get real fancy, you can always give it a shake. I said, give it a shake? What are you talking about? Press it down inside the bowl. And there you have it. Okay. Voila. That's not complete without the chopsticks. Lemon for this herb tea. Pure honey. And that's how it's done. Ain't no need for all this yapping, people. Let's get into this meal. Chopsticks. Take a look at that shrimp. Okay. Wait a minute. Yep. People, listen, this is good. It really is. Take a look at that. And I'm not just saying this because I made it. This is really good. You can taste the ginger, mixed vegetables, the garnish of the scallions. It gives it a fresh taste. Now it's brown rice. Let's not forget about that. Put a little lemon up there. This is good. It's real good. And a little lemon juice took it over the top. The lemon juice took it over the top. You hear me? And right here I have some green tea. Put a little bit of lemon in that. I'm just going lemon crazy, huh? I added some honey to it. And we're going to check that out. It really looks. This is what set the meal off. It's so refreshing. Okay, so you know I have this egg roll. Let me let you see how that look on the inside. This is a chicken egg roll. Check that out. Now this came from Dollar Tree, and it came with this pack of duck sauce. And we want to see what that's going to be about. This is good. This really is good. Make sure you make this meal for your family. It is delicious. I'm not playing. I'm not just saying this. It really is good. And as always, people, if you enjoy these videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking. And share this video with your friends so they can enjoy the experience of this good food. Alright?